I used to avoid mirrors. My face was covered in dark spots after every breakout. And I'm not talking cute freckles, I mean deep, stubborn black marks that lasted for months. I tried scrubs, trendy masks, even lemon juice, nothing worked. Until I simplified everything. Step 1, Gentle Cleanser, AM/PM. Step 2, 10% niacinamide serum. Step 3, Vitamin C, only in the morning. Step 4, Lightweight Moisturizer. Step 5, SPF 50, every single day. That's it. Number 10 step routine, no over-exfoliating. And after 8 weeks? My skin started glowing again. If you're where I was, don't give up. Stick to it. Your skin is healing, even if it's silent right now. Like this video if you needed this. Subscribe for more honest skincare that actually helps.